Hello warriors, welcome to the video series. It is the second video of the series. In this video we will see which softwares are required for the course. So actually there are two softwares are required for the course. One is Notepad++ and another one is a web browser. Web browser can be easily found in anyone's PC, but you can download it if you want. I will be using the Google Cloud or Google Chrome web browser, and let's download a Notepad++. So I have already opened the website for Notepad++ for you all. I will show it again how to download it from the internet. So type Notepad++ and hit enter, then go for downloads, and from here you can download the Notepad++ software for free. I am not gonna download it because I have already done that. So I hope you will download the required software for the course, and we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.